think it went on. I think we're ready. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Hi, welcome to the homestead.
Hi guys.
Well, we're in the house.
We are.
It is, guess what? Raining outside.
It is. Well, it's not quite.
It's not pouring right now, but it's drizzly and it rained all morning.
It's been raining off and on for like 3 days again.
Yeah. We're like, it's just never stopping.
I know, my garden is getting way flooded.
Yeah, but we're not gonna waste the day. I got up this morning, I went and picked up a bunch of 2x4s because behind us we have our last bit of interior framing that we have to do real quick, and today's the perfect day to do it. What are we doing?
We are framing in my closet for my pantry.
Yes, walk-in.
Yes.
A walk-in pantry for Missy here
Well,
in the...
for you too, but I'll spend probably more time in it.
It's for Missy. That's okay. That's okay. I'll get parts of the house that are designed for me. This is for you. So we're going to get on that. It's the perfect day to do it. And we're not going to waste any more time, guys. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna build our short pony wall first. We already took a bunch of measurements and we know that needs to be 48 and a half. So I need 2 at 48 and a half. Okay, so grab the level. There we go. Can you get one up higher?
Yeah.
Go as high as you can. That's fine. Perfect. this level on there and see what it looks like. How does that look?
Looks alright.
Yeah? All right.
Alright.
So we have two choices. We have two 2x4s left. We can either put the double top plate on, or we can frame out the door. What are you leaning towards? I'm leaning towards framing out the door.
That's fine.
So, yeah. So let's frame the door up. All right. All right.
All right.
Framed up. We still need to put the top plate on,
Yeah.
but that's your pantry. You want to go in and check it out?
Yeah, it's pretty roomy. I mean, there's going to be plenty of space, even with shelves. And we'll have a small little stand-up freezer in here.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's plenty enough room.
I think it'll be fine.
Yeah.
And that still leaves you plenty of room for your dining room, kitchen area.
Yeah, there'll be enough room for a small little table here
All right.
with some chairs.
All right.
So
All right. What's the next project?
we have to finish putting T-posts in the garden for our trellising.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
We're going to go get that done. I want the end ones to be like this, so when we pull the fence, it pulls it in tight. Okay? Yeah. On an angle like that. Ready?
Yep. Okay.
got gloves?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
That'll make it easier.
I know, it was hard to mow in here with all this fencing.
Yeah.
Glad it's going back up.
Yeah, me too. I was just thinking I can't wait until this goes up and stays up, and this chore of putting it up and taking it down is over with. So, all right, let's get this one pulled over that way so we can lay it down. Ready? And down she goes. Is that a full piece? No.
No, it's wrapped. All right, we're at the end.
Okay. Oh, did I get you?
Yep, you're fine.
Okay. How's that?
Yeah, that's gonna work.
Okay.
That's a good height.
All right. Let's go down and get it down here now.
Yeah.
Nice lunch,
It was.
but it's getting hot.
It got really hot out here, and it was not even lunchtime yet. It was like a late breakfast.
No, but we got a very early start.
Yes.
So I think we're gonna get this row and possibly the row behind you, and then we're gonna break from this.
Yeah, we kind of skipped this row over here because of the fencing. This is longer fencing, so it'll do better for this row.
Yeah. And then we'll break. We'll take on another in the shade project, and then come back to this this evening when it's cooler. All right, do you want to jump down there and I'll pull this so it doesn't flop over? Well, get on that side of the tomatoes, right? Because you're gonna want to hold it steady and possibly pull it down this way Yes, ready? A little bit. All right, a little more.
Okay.
And you can roll up if you want, honey. Roll up to this T-post. Roll it. So it's more sturdy to hang on to. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Good. Can you just, will it just stand there?
It should.
All right. And we don't need to go to 3, I don't think,
No, just to 2.
because
Yeah.
it's so much,
Yeah, these are taller T-posts.
Last pin, honey, last pin for today.
I know. It is so hot out here.
It is hot.
I don't even think it's noontime yet, and it's scorching. All right.
There. That's
All right.
it.
Yeah, we'll have to cut this off. But
Yeah.
for right now, it's fine. Oh,
No, don't bend it that way.
yeah. Okay.
Leave it like that. Yeah, that'll be fine. All right, what's the plan here?
Well, we got a bunch of these hooks, and this is a bigger one, but I have a bunch of garden tools that I don't have a place to put, so I thought it'd be a good idea if
okay.
we used the side of our farm stand to actually hang up some of the tools.
Okay.
But what I realized when I opened them up and looked, the screws that they sent us are plastic. Like, what can you do with plastic screws?
Look at that, guys. That is the dumbest thing.
Like, I don't.
I mean, it's fine for drywall.
Yeah, and they have the drywall
That's why.
insert.
It's for drywall.
But I don't understand, like, why they would send these, because these are really sturdy hooks.
Yeah.
They're nice rubber
Well,
coated.
it's for drywall. That's why.
But, like, it just didn't make any sense to me.
Well, those
So.
can go in the trash because we've got good screws. All right.
Well, I'll hang on to them because we have friends that have drywall and they might be interested in them. So
They might be. All right.
you
Well,
just never know.
we'll re-gift them.
There's
All right. Well,
some.
let's get our implements over here and figure out which hooks we're going to use. Yeah, I think we start from over here. We've got a game plan. What do you want? Shovels over here first? Then your rakes?
No, let's do the rakes first.
All right, rakes first.
To go a little bit higher.
Come look across, straight across.
I'm not tall enough, but it looks like it needs to go a little bit higher. Yeah. Oh. Oops.
All right, let's try it again.
Yeah.
That's high. All right,
Okay.
let's see what it looks like.
All right. Our rakes.
Cultivator. Got your 2 shovels.
All right. That definitely makes it a little bit neater back here.
It sure does.
Yeah.
And it looks like farmy stuff too.
Yeah. So, and it's got a little bit of an overhang. They might get a little wet.
Well,
but
and the most important thing is our tools with wooden handles won't be in the sun against this wall.
yeah, they'll be, and they're off the ground.
They're off the ground. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us.
Yeah, it was just a small little project,
Yeah,
but I needed the height and didn't want to lug a ladder, so.
that's fine.
But-
That's what I'm here for.
But yeah, that works.
No, that'll be good. I'm glad you're happy with
I
it.
think our camera died.
No, it probably just,
Maybe.
no, it just,
Battery's really low.
battery's really low, so we'll see you later, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.